If you live in Florida and you've never had a mold inspection, your home probably has it, and no, I'm not exaggerating. Hi, I'm Jefferson Prada, founder of Mold Rid Of. We've spent years helping families in South and Central Florida understand what's really hiding behind their walls before it becomes a health crisis or a financial issue. On this channel, I'll show you how to detect mold early without the DIY kits that fail 80% of the time, the legal trap between assessors and remediators that 90% of homeowners miss, and exactly what to do if your home tests positive, including the truth about insurance coverage and out-of-pocket costs. Subscribe now. In the next video, I'll explain the critical difference between a mold assessor and a remediator, and why in Florida it's actually illegal for them to be the same company.